By participating in Enbridge Gas Distribution's Run It Right program, you'll find no or low-cost operational improvements to reduce your energy usage and save you money. In addition, you can receive up to $10,000 in incentives to cover your cost. There are 3 steps to run it right. Investigate your building to see how it can be more efficient. Implement these efficiencies, and then monitor them in the future. What's great is that Enbridge will cover up to 100% of the costs associated with completing all 3 steps. So you could be making huge natural gas savings effectively, free of charge. First, an Enbridge Energy Solutions consultant will confirm you qualify for the program. If eligible, an application form will be sent to you to be signed. Then, it's on to 3 simple steps. Your preferred efficiency partner will conduct an on-site energy assessment to help you identify cost-effective operational improvements to your building, and you'll receive up to $1,000 to pay for investigation costs. Once you have the list of recommended improvements, it's time to implement. These could be anything from system optimization to equipment scheduling, all at low or no cost to you. Plus, up to $8,000 in implementation incentives are available. Once implemented, real-time data tracking using Enbridge's Free Energy Management Information System, EMIS, means your building's energy performance can be monitored moving forward. Or choose your own monitoring platform and receive an incentive of up to $1,000 to cover the cost. It pays to run it right with Enbridge. Get started today. Contact your Energy Solutions consultant or efficiency partner.